Want to control what people can see on your Facebook profile? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to make your Facebook account more private. Now let's get started. Certain things on your Facebook profile will always be publicly visible, such as your name and profile picture, but almost everything else can be made private if you wish. To adjust your privacy settings on Facebook, open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll to the bottom and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Then you can choose which category of privacy settings you want to review and adjust, including profile details, how people can contact you, posts, stories, pages, reels, followers and public content, profile and tagging, blocking, and active status. For profile details, you can individually set privacy settings for each personal detail on your profile, such as your workplace, school, city, contact info, and relationships. For each one, you will see the current privacy setting below, like public, your friends, or only me. Tap the pencil icon beside one of your profile details to edit the privacy setting for just that individual detail. Then select Sharing With. You can choose to make it public, visible to your friends, or only me so nobody else can see it. Go through and edit the privacy setting for each personal detail on your profile to configure them how you'd like. For how people can find and contact you, you can choose who can send you friend requests, who can see your friends list, who Facebook can suggest you as a friend to if they have your email or phone number, and if you want Facebook to show your profile in search engine results. For posts, you can choose who can see your future and past posts and whether you want to allow comment summaries on your posts. For stories, you can choose who can see your story and where your story is shared. For reels, you can choose if you want people to be allowed to remix your reels or share your reels to their story, and who can see your reels. For followers and public content, you can choose who can follow you, who can see your followers on your timeline, who can see what pages you follow, and who can comment on your public posts. For profile and tagging, you can choose who can post on your profile, who can see what others post on your profile, who can see posts you're tagged in, and if you want to review posts you're tagged in before they get added to your profile. Under blocking, you can review who you have blocked on Facebook and add people to your blocked list as needed. And finally, for active status, you can choose to show or hide when you're active on Facebook. Go through each of these categories and set up your privacy settings to your liking. That's all it takes to make your Facebook profile more private. For more helpful Facebook tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Facebook tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.